everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to download YouTube video directly to your device. Now, the first step is look for the video that you would like to download. For this test, I'll be using this one. Just right click on the video, copy link address, and then now you have to go to savefrom.net. Now just paste the link here, and then it will automatically look for the video, which is this one. Now just hit download. Now click this link, download without installation. And then here you will be shown with the option of the quality you would like it to be downloaded to. So I will select the lightest one, 360, or you can click more for more option. So this is for HD copy or high definition. So let's just for the sake of testing, the lowest quality. Alright, so just close this redirection ad. Now here is the video that you could download. So just click these three dots here and then download. Once done, it will be shown here that it is being downloaded. Now you can check that video that has been downloaded on your downloads folder. That's the default location if you did not change it on your Chrome. Now let's try playing the video that has been downloaded. And there you go, the video has been downloaded and you can play it anytime on your device. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.